Namaste, everybody. Good evening. Can you hear me? Nisha? Okay. Let's start. Okay. What we did last class? Anybody remember?
We went until variation 8.
Did we finish
Do
eight
the
variation?
TI.
We finished variation 8
Yeah.
and TI also or no?
No.
Variation 8. Okay. So variation 8 we played, right? Is that correct, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. So let's write down the TI now. One second.
Amma, notebook.
Just 1 second. Let me open the doc. Don't need this. Thing looks like I need to stop sharing probably. Just 1 second. Opening the doc again, okay, for you guys. Sorry about it. So let me close this. So this is also not required, just for a fun. Okay, Monday. Too many windows open. Saturday 11. Okay. Okay, Saturday 11. Just 1 second. So we'll write down the TI and then we'll see if we can play the whole Kaida today, okay? Top to bottom. So okay, I think that's okay. We will just write it down. Okay, let me share the doc. Everybody can hear me, right? Okay. So variation 8 we done. Now we'll do the TI. I'm going to change this TI. Okay, we'll not do this TI. So dhatre get dhat dhagena. So don't write down this. Okay. Dhagena. Then I'm changing dhadhagena dhinnagena. So dhadhagena dhinnagena tha. So this part you do 3 times. Okay, times 3. Okay. Then this you do top to bottom 3 times. That's what it goes. I'm just trying to squeeze this if I can squeeze this. Okay. Then I'm removing this. So dhatira gita dha tiddhagena dhadhagena dhinnagena dha 1 2 3 dhadhagena dhinnagena dha 1 2 3 dhadhagena dhinnagena dha 1 2 3. So this is your starting of the TI. Now if you compare dhatirakit dha tiddhagena dhadhagena dhinnagena, what is this? Isn't it? This is the main theme of second half in all the variation. You agree? So that if you compare dhatirakit dha, dhatirakit dha, tiddhagena, tiddhagena, dhadhagena, dhadhagena, dhinnagena, dhinnagena, and then just you are adding dha 1 2 3. Okay, so that's what you add here basically. So dhatirakit dha tiddhagena, dhadhagena, dhinnagena, dha 1 2 3. Now this dhadhagena, dhinnagena, dha 1 2 3 is 3 times if you are talking about here, right? So dha gena dhinna gena dha 1 2 3 dha gena dhinna ge dha 1 2 3 dha gena dhinna gena dha 1 2 3. Now top to bottom again you do top to bottom 3 times. So it's a long TI. It's not a short TI. Now is anybody interested in understanding the mathematics behind this TI, or you're not interested? Because it will be a little theoretical portion, and that may take a little extra time to understand.
You
So
had
are you
explained,
okay? Huh?
you had explained earlier to us. I
Or
maybe
you
you guys might
did I explain
know.
earlier? Can you just
Yes,
share what was
for
the
I
explained?
think
Sorry.
Ishan and Kedar. I
Okay,
think
Ishan, go ahead.
Ishan and Kedar will know, but Aditya and Arjun I don't know.
Okay, Ishan, can you explain? Or do you remember? That is the first thing if you remember.
I don't think I remember you doing it. So
Okay, so let Parmananji share probably. Parmananji, or let's go with Kedar in case Kedar remembers.
I remember you doing it, but I forgot what you.
Oh, you forgot. Now let's go to Parmananji.
I think there was big theory. I don't remember, Satishi, but I think I remember like you taught us, and I have written somewhere.
Okay. So all of three, would you like to find out and share with me next class, or do you want me to tell now? It's up to you. What are you guys feel?
Can you tell us now? Oh no, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I can tell now. Okay, so let's spend some time in understanding that. Okay. So first thing is let's first understand this TI and then I'll explain. Is it okay, everybody? So dhatirigida dha tiddhagena and then dhadhagena dhinnagena. Let me complete the TI first. Dhadhagena dhinnagena dha 1 2 3. Okay. Then I'm removing everything because this is irrelevant. Let me change this. So this is I'm deleting this section. Okay, we don't need this section. Okay. So dhatirigida dha tiddhagena dhadhagena. Let's put this dha small. Na dhinnagena dha. And then this dhadhagena dhinnagena I'm copying 3 times. Okay. Dhadhagena dhinnagena dha. And then dhadhagena dhinnagena dha. Okay. So is that part okay? Everybody is understanding this part? Now dha 1 2 3. That's what it is written here. So you have 3 gaps here. Dha 1 2 3. But at least everybody is understanding what is a TI. Is that okay? Then we will probably add the mathematical thought accordingly. Okay. So first thing is, what is TI? If anybody knows, it can explain what is TI means. So explanation of TI. Now make sure you guys don't forget this. TI, explanation of TI. Ishan, go ahead.
You play the same like number of phrases 3 times, and in the last one you don't do like pause at the end.
Okay. So TI is any phrase or combination or series of phrases played 3 times. Okay, that is the definition of TI. Arjun, I hope you know the meaning of TI, Arjun. Arjun, your mic is mute, Arjun. I'm not able to hear if you are saying something, Arjun. Are you
Uh,
are you saying something, Arjun?
no.
Do you know what is TI means?
Yeah.
So what is TI? Can you explain? Or can you at least share what you know?
So a TI is a phrase played 3 times, and like so, and on the last time you do not do the last beat.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So let me explain. So it says any phrase or series of phrases. Okay. Now here, if you see in our TI, there are many phrases. Dha, tira, kita, dha, tid, dha, ge, na, dha, ge, na, din, na. All these are phrases, right? And then that you played basically combining them multiple times, basically. Okay. Now TI can be a short TI. TI can be a short TI, or it can be a long TI. Okay. So the example of short TI is dha playing 3 times. Dha, dha, dha. Short TI, right? You play dha how many times? 3 times. Dha, dha, dha. It's a TI. Or any phrase and dha. So tera kita dha, tera kita dha, tera kita dha. Right? Or tita dha, tita dha, tita dha. Or kata dha, kata dha, kata dha. Right? So first thing is, what do you understand? It must end with dha. That is the main part. Okay. Ending of TI has to be done, no choice. That is by default. Okay. Ending again, there are some exceptions, but for us now TI is ending with tha. And simple TI I can write here is simple, and shortest TI. Is dha playing 3 times. Dha, dha, dha. There is not any simple than dha, dha, dha. Right? Everybody agrees with that? Then as you move further, theta dha is another TI. Okay. Some example of short TIs. Okay. You can write down some example of short TI. TIs. So theta dha is one TI. Then tira kita dha is another TI. So what is your observation here? Phrase and dha, right? So far, everybody okay? There is one more hidden parameter here. Can anybody think of it? So far, what we are talking about, a phrase plus dha, right? That's what you are so far you are considering, right? there is some more hidden factor plus. What is that?
You have to add a pause?
Exactly. So pause is another factor here. Now, this is one time, okay? First loop, then you do second loop, and then you do third loop. But the beauty of third loop is, anybody can think of it? What is beauty of third loop? Yes, Arjun?
There is no pause.
Excellent. Very good. There is no pause. So how many times pause comes in any tihai? Two times. And if you appear for any future exams going further, the examiner asks this question in a Viva or oral. How many times the pause comes in any tihai? Most of the student they answer three. Most of the student. Because tihai stands for three. That's what their mindset is. But it is not. Pause occurs only two times. Okay, so this is the structure of any TI, small TI or wrong TI. Now in this case, da three times, what happens? Pause is equal to zero. There is no pause. Sorry, phrase is equal to zero. So we have dha. Again, pause probably we'll talk about pause, but we have just dha, and dha, right? So pause equal to zero is your this TI, dha three times. Now let's talk about tirakita dha. So the phrase is tiragita. So tiragita dha, we talk about pause, tiragita dha, pause, and tiragita dha. Any tihai will have this format. Any tihai. Okay, got it? Now if you look at in our tihai here, we have nested tihai within tihai. What is nested tihai? Means there is a short tihai within the long tihai. This is called as a nested tihai. Now what is a short tihai in this case? Can anybody think of it? In this tihai, which is the shortest tihai?
Dada gena dinna gena da dada gena dinna gena da dada gena dinna gena.
Perfect. So this is your short TI. Da da ge na din na ge na da. Da da ge na din na ge na da. Da da ge na din na ge na da. Okay. So I'm just probably underline this as a short TI. Okay. So this is a short TI. And then, or probably I'll just do the different color so that you can get. So this is a short TI. Okay. It starts from this bracket. And then what is a long TI? It's basically from here to here, complete total parts, right? So generally, the long TI will have a short TI embedded within the long TI. Remember that part. Generally, the long TI will have somewhere a short TI embedded into that. And that is possible, and that is okay. And that is what the approach is. Now, let's talk about the little mathematics here, okay? We'll talk in 5 minutes, not more than that. And let me see who can understand. Now let's say you want to fit a TI in one cycle of tab. What is our target? Fit a TI or create instead of fit, create a TI in one cycle of the tab. Now this is a little difficult, but we'll at least try and see how. Now what is the formula to create the TI in one cycle? Anybody knows what is the formula or how do we define? Anybody quickly? If not, I'll explain. Paramananji? No?
Sorry, Satish, I couldn't get your question. What is question?
What is the formulation to create a TI? Or what formula we use to create TI? Any idea?
Uh,
It's okay. I'll explain. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. So
you
first step
yeah.
is number of beats of the tar. Okay. Beats of tar. We are talking about tin tar. So how many beats of tin tar? 16. Everybody okay?
16.
Okay. Now add plus 1. You do know why we are adding plus 1?
Because
Huh?
The pause?
No. No. That's not correct answer. Why we are adding plus 1?
The first beat of the
Huh?
The first beat of the song. You always start on the first beat of the cycle, and
Correct. So this is we call as a sum. First beat. We add that first beat. Why? Because we never end on the last beat of any tal. Ti never ends on the last beat. You can write on the here the reason. All Ti's will always end on the first beat of the following cycle. Following cycle. And that's the reason we are adding +1. Okay? Because Ti never ends on the last beat. So how many number you got? 17, right? So that 17 we are doing divided by 3. Now you know why we are doing divided by 3? Yes, Arjun?
because there are 3 loops.
Exactly. Because we are creating a Ti formula. So that's why we are dividing by 3. What it comes? 5, right? 5 is integer. And then 2 by 3, right? It's not an integer, it's a fraction. So forget it. You don't want to work on the fraction today. Today is our easy day because I missed the morning class. So I'm going to go with easy so that you will not get bored with me. Okay. But my apologies to cancel the class in the morning. Okay. So sorry about it. Okay. So now let's talk about creating TI in two cycle of the tal. I'm just copy pasting this everything. Creating TI in two cycles of the tal. Okay. Two cycles of the tal. Now, can anybody just update the number? Number of bits of the tal 16, right? Times 2. Why? Now, because our TI span is 2 cycle, not 1 cycle. So, which is equal to 32. Add +1. So, now instead of 16, we are adding 32 plus 1. How much is the number?
33.
Now, here, 33 divided by 3, how much?
11.
Is it an integer?
No.
What no? It's an integer. It's a complete full number. It's not even number, it's odd number, but it's an integer. There is no fraction here, right? You divide 33 by 3, you get 11 as a full number. There is no remainder is 0, right? Everybody agrees? So that 11 is our magic number in Tintal to create a long TI. So what is the magic number in creating TI in Tintal? Long TI I'm talking about, not short TI.
11. 11.
11 beats is our requirement to create. That 11 beats, if you play 3 times, that creates a long TI. And that fits into how many cycle of Tintal, Ishan?
2 cycles of the entire.
Perfect, you got it. Now let's scroll up and see if we have 11 bits here in our calculation. Okay, so what's in here? Bit number 1, let me probably highlight so that we can watch it here, right? So bit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times 3, right? So if I multiply this by 3 times, I got my long TI, isn't it? So I'm just making a bracket here, okay, and then putting 3 times. That's what I've written in the shortcut. Dha tira kita dha tid dha na. So here dha tira kita dha tid dha na. Dha dha na din na na dha. This is first loop, right? I'll probably just add with the little board. Second loop, da da ge na din na ge na da. Just underlining it. And this is a la loop, da da ge na din na ge na da italics. So those are the 3 short loop of the TI. Da da ge na din na ge na da. 1 2 3 da da ge na. 1 2 3 da da ge na din na ge na da. So to that you are adding dha tira kita dha tid dha ge na as a base. Okay. Now, is this the only TI you can create for this Qaida? No. You can create multiple approaches of the TI. Multiple. Sky is the limit. How to create that? The simple theory is simple theory. Now just watch again. Now we from our presentation we'll be performing this, okay? But as a simple exercise. Okay, let's say our requirement is 11 beats, right, to create a TI, long TI. Is that correct? Now everybody got that 11 number where it came from mathematically. Everybody's okay? Arjun, perfect. Ishan, Aditya, I hope you are okay. Okay, so amongst 11 beats, let's say I have dha, dha, and dha as the last three beats. Dha, dha, dha. Okay, dha 1, 2, 3, one beat. Dha 1, 2, 3, another beat, and dha 1, 2, 3, another beat. So these are the three beats I want to probably have at the end. Dha, 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 which is again the shortest TI, right? Now, if you subtract these three beats from the 11, how much remaining?
8 beats.
8.
8 beats. Okay. So, if you say dha tira kit dha tit da ge na dha da ge na tin na ke na ta tira kit dha tit da ge na dha da ge na din na. If you play the original main theme, how many beats it has? 8 beats. Watch again. Dha tira kit dha tit da ge na dha da ge na tin na. Ta tira kit ta tit ta ke na dha da ge na din na ge na dha dha dha. Another simple PI you can do. Simple PI. 8 beat of your main theme because you are doing teen tal, right? So 99.9% or rather 100%, your main thing will have 8 beats being in teen tal. No choice. So to the main theme, what you are adding? 3 dha, and you can create a simple TI in teen tal. You got the formula. So what you can write it here? Add 3 dhas after main theme of any qaida in teen tal to create a simple qaida TI. You got it? Everybody got this approach? Formula is okay? Dha tere git dha tit dha ge na dha da ge na tin na ke na ta tere git ta tit ta ke na dha da ge na din na ge na dha dha dha. But we are not doing that TI. Okay? Our TI, what is our TI we are doing? Dha tere git dha tit dha ge na dha da ge na din na ge na dha 1, 2, 3 dha da ge na din na ge na dha 1 dha da ge na din na ge na dha. One time. Like that we are doing how many times? 3 times. So what speed are we playing? Everybody remember what speed are we playing this qaida?
75.
75 single or 75 double?
I think it's double.
I doubt.
Is double.
75 double?
No, it's single. Yeah, it's single.
That's what I was thinking. 75 single, right?
I think so, yeah.
Everybody's agreed to 75 single speed? Yes or no? Still there is a confusion between single and double.
No single.
Huh?
We did single last.
75 single, right? Okay. Now can anybody say this TI on the clap? Anybody would like to say this TI on the clap?
I try.
Yeah, go ahead.
No.
Go ahead. Who
Wait.
wants to?
Da tira kita da tit da ge na da ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na da tira kita da tit da ge na da ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na da tira kita da da ge na ge na din na ge na ge na din na ge na ge na din na ge na da.
Was that okay?
Yes.
I doubt it was not correct.
It wasn't?
No. Want to try again?
Oh, I have to add the pause.
Huh?
I have to
No,
add
there was another mistake. Anybody can think of it? What was his mistake?
He was not saying dha.
Exactly. The main dha itself you are missing in all the TIs, short TIs. Are you agreeing?
Yeah.
So want to try again one more time?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Da tira kita da tit da ge na da ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na da ge na din.
Something is not happening correctly.
Okay.
Want to try again or anybody else want to try?
Can I try?
Yeah, go ahead, please. Do you have Lyra?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Da tira kita da tit da ge da ge na da. No. Da tira kita da tit da ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na da tira kita da tit da ge na ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na da tira kita da tit da ge na ge na din na ge na da ge na no.
No, it's not happening correctly, Arjun. Anybody else want to try?
I can try, Satish.
Yeah, go.
Dha tir kit dha tid dha ge na ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na dha tir kit dha tid dha ge na ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na dha tir kit dha tid dha ge na ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na
Okay, anybody else want to try? Aditya?
I could try.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, Kedar.
Tira kita tha tit da ge na ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na da ge na din na ge na da tira kita da tit da ge na ge na din na ge na da ge na din na da da gi na din na gi na da 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 gi na din na gi na da 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 gi na din na gi na da.
Okay, I'm not sure probably everybody is doing correctly. Let's try to do with me. Okay, so let me open the TI quickly and then we'll sit together for some time. Okay, just rearranging it quickly so that you guys can watch it more betterly. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. I was not aware that we are doing single speed, so that's why I've written it here in a double speed. But let me write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can just push it slightly here. Push it slightly here. May not be that. Or let me try to probably do it. Okay, so that can hopefully fit. Just give me one more second, okay? Now, since we are distributing in two layers, our formulation will get little differently, okay? But let's not worry about the formulation at this time.
For one beat, we are doing two
Correct,
syllables.
correct, correct. So exactly. So it's now double the length, basically. It's double the length, okay? I hope that is okay to everybody. Not that big thing. Okay, I think what I can do slightly to move it here. Okay. Again, okay. Okay, let's try to do with the layer now. Okay, we are doing 75 speed in tinta. Okay, 75 speed in tinta. Can you guys hear Lara? Okay, perfect. Ta, tin, ta, ta. Do it with me. Then, ta, ta, tera, kita, tha, tin, tha, ge, na, tha, ge, na, tin, na, ge, na, tha. Tha, ge, na, tin, na, ge, na, tha. Tha, ge, na, tin, na, ge, na, tha. Tha, tera, kita, tha, tin, tha, ge, na, tha, ge, na, tin, na, ge, na, tha. I made a mistake, sorry. Dha tera kit dha tin dha ge na ge na din na ge na dha 1 2 3 dha ge na din na ge dha 1 2 3 dha ge na din na ge na dha 1 2 3 dha tera kit dha tin dha ge na ge na din na ge na dha 1 2 3 dha ge na din na ge na dha 1 2 3 dha ge na din na ge na dha 1 2 3 dha tera kit dha tin dha ge na ge na din na ge na dha 1 2 3 dha ge na din na ge na dha 1 2 3 dha ge na din na ge na dha din dha one more time din da da din da da din da tera kit dha tin dha ge na ge na din na ge na dha 1 2 3 da ge na din na ge da 1 2 3 da ge na din na ge na da 1 2 3 tera kit dha tin dha ge ge na din na ge na dha 1 2 3 dha ge na din na ge dha 1 2 3 dha ge na din na ge na dha 1 2 3 dha tera kit dha tin dha ge na ge na din na ge dha 1 2 3 dha ge na din na ge na dha 1 2 3 ge na din na ge na da din da. Was that okay? Now anybody want to try again? Top to bottom. Anybody? You guys need to try. Okay, otherwise you're not able to learn. Yes, Parmaniji.
Yeah, I did. I think last time. I'll continue. Try again.
Sorry? Yeah, go ahead, try.
Din. धातिर किट धातिद्धागेन धाधागेन धिन्नागेन धा धाधागेन धिन्नागेन धा धाधागेन धिन्नागेन धा धातिर किट धातिद्धागेन धाधागेन धिन्नागेन धा धाधागेन धिन्नागेन धा धाधागेन धिन्नागेन धा धातिर्किट धातिद्धागेन धाधागेन धिन्नागेन धा धाधागेन धिन्नागेन धा धाधागेन धिन्नागेन धा.
Okay, anybody else? Arjun, go ahead, and then Ishan, you go after Arjun.
Dhatirokita dhatiddhagena dhadhagena dhinnagena dhadhagena dhinnagena dha Dhatirokita dhatiddhagena dhadhagena dhinnagena dhadhagena dhinnagena dhadhagena dhinnagena Dhatirokita dhatiddhagena dhadhagena dhinnagena dhadhagena dhinnagena dhadhagena dhinnagena
Was that okay, Arjun?
No.
Dha.
Sorry, Parmanji, you said something?
He's missing gap after dha.
Correct. So Arjun, count dha 1, 2, 3 if you couldn't get hangover of the gap. Dhatir, watch again here what I'm doing. Dhatir kita dha tit dha ge na dha dha ge na dhin na ge na dha 1, 2, 3. See here, this is what your mistake is there. Can you see my screen, Arjun? Arjun? What's wrong with that? I'm not sure if Arjun can hear me. Arjun, can you hear me? There is no response from you.
I can hear you.
Yeah, so talk it. Otherwise, how do I know whether you are listening to me or not? So this dha, you can see my pointer here. This dha 1, 2, 3. Make sure you say it basically. Otherwise, you will not be able to probably cope it up with that.
Okay.
Want to try again one more time, Arjun?
Okay.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Dhatirokita dhatiddhagena dhadhagena dhinnagena dha 1, 2, 3 dhadhagena dhinnagena dha 1, 2, 3 dhadhagena dhinnagena dha 1, 2, 3 Dhatirokita dhatiddhagena dhadhagena dhinnagena dha 1, 2, 3 dhadhagena dhinnagena dha 1, 2, 3 dhadhagena dhinnagena dha 1, 2, 3 Dhatirokita dhatiddhagena dhadhagena Dinna gena, da 1 2 3, da gena, dinna gena, da 1 2 3, da gena, dinna gena, da.
Perfect. Arjun, good job.
Yeah.
Excellent. You got it now?
Yes.
What was the missing parameter? Was the gap, basically. If the moment you start counting, da, 1, 2, 3, now there is no scope to miss, right? So initially for a while, until you get the feel of that space gap, you should count 1, 2, 3 always, Arjun. Okay? Okay, who is next to go? Ishan, go ahead, and then probably Kedar, you go after Ishan. Aditya, you go after that, please.
Da tire kite da tit da ge na ge na din na ge na da 1 2 3 da ge na din na ge na da 1 2 3 da ge na din na ge na da 1 2 3 da tire kite da tit da ge na ge na din na ge na da 1 2 3 da ge na din na ge na da 1 2 3 da ge na din na ge na da 1 2 3 da tire kite da tit da ge na ge na din na ge na da 1 2 3 da ge na din na ge na da 1 2 3 da ge na din na ge na da.
Excellent. Ishan, good. Both Arjun, Ishan, Paramanji, you are all good. Let's go with Kedar now. Kedar, are you ready?
Yeah. Tira kita da tit da gina da gina dinna gina da 1 2 3 da gina dinna gina da 1 2 3 da gina dinna gina da 1 2 3 da tira kita da tit da gina da gina dinna gina da 1 2 3 da gina dinna gina da 1 2 3 da gina dinna gina da 1 2 3 da tira kita da tit da gina da gina dinna gina da 1 2 3 da gina dinna gina da 1 2 3 da gina dinna gina da.
They all are good. Excellent. Aditya, you have Lehra by chance or you don't have?
I don't have Sarah yet.
You don't have Lehra?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to try without Lehra on the clap, or you probably will try a little later?
I'll just send you a recording later with Lara.
Okay, that's fine. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, now let's try to play this. We'll play this for 5 minutes non-stop. Is it okay? Everybody okay with that? How long? 5 minutes non-stop. Just the eye, without stopping. So let's start. Just give me 1 second, okay? Just 1 more minute, okay? 1 more minute. Just please bear with. Okay, let's start. Can you hear Leila? Start. Ah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Second time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, third. Tera kita tha tha ge tha 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 ge tha tha ge. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 10, 10. Tha 10. Again, TI. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Second loop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Third loop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then tinta. Then. Arjun, I can't see your tabla. Then change your angle. Second loop. Third loop. Then tinta. Then keep playing for a while. Second loop. Again, TI. Da, te, da, te, te, da, te, da, de, da, 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 de, da, de, da, de, da, 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 de, da, de, da, de, da, 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 de, da, de, da, de, da, da. Second time. Da, de, da, de, da, 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 de, da, de, da, de, da, 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 de, da, de, da, de, da, da. Da da de da de da de da da de da de da de da de da de da da de da de da da de da de da. Then one last time. Was everybody able to do all the time? Ishan was okay. What about Kedar? 100%? Good. Aditya 100%. Good. Arjun? All time played correctly? Excellent. Parmanji? Very good. Now, before we stop, my suggestion is or recommendation is it okay to play top to bottom with me? Complete Qaeda. Is it okay? Or you guys are tired? If you are tired, we will not do it. But if you feel, yes, we have energy and we can do that, I'm with you. What do you guys think?
We can do it.
We can do it? Aditya?
We can do it.
Okay, so let's try it. So I'm trying to just squeeze everything here, okay? And I'll show the screen so that you can watch the screen probably, okay? And I'll use the abbreviated variation here. I hope have we done this exercise in past or we didn't do this exercise in the past?
We did this exercise.
Excellent. Very good. So variation 6, variation 7, variation 8, and TI. So I'm just changing this TI here. So let me copy from there so that I don't have to retype it again. So what was the TI we did here? So let me copy paste this. Control C, and then we'll play now the whole Qaeda top to bottom. This is what you'll be doing in your performance, okay? So make sure that this is what you practice now probably every day at least for some time. Okay. Okay, let me change the color to black. What did I do? Okay, black. Okay. Okay, let me change the percentage to maybe probably 75%. Okay, and then we'll see if I can slightly zoom it up so you can watch everything on this. Main theme, car, main theme, car, main theme, car. Okay, so I hope you guys can watch this. Everybody can watch this. Maybe slight zoom. Okay, this is better. Was that okay? Or maybe slightly zoomed down. Okay, what happened? Something is not okay. I think this is better. Okay, let's try. I'll keep the screen on. Okay, so that you can watch the screen. You may not be able to see the screen. Sure, everybody mutes the mic. Okay, everybody make sure you mute your mic. Okay, let's start. Everybody ready? So first cycle theme tal, and then we are not doing double main theme speed. Okay, we're just doing single speed. So I'm just eliminating this bit. Okay, let's start.
Uh,
Yes, Ishan.
question. So, on the main theme, do we first do da, di, da?
No, no. The same what we just playing. No, no. That's why I says only one speed, which
Okay.
is you can call single or double, whatever you want to call. That same speed. Okay. Okay, let's start. Next cycle, first theme tal, main theme, variation 1 to variation 8, TI, and back to theme tal. Be ready. Ga, din, din, ga, ga, din, ga, ga, din, ga, ga, din, main theme. First variation. Main theme. Kali. Main theme. Variation 2. Khalid. Nitin. Next, version 5. Khalid. 6, version 6. Seven. Khalid. Version 8. Version 9 TI. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Second loop. Third time. One, two, तीन तार. Okay, how was it? Let's go with one by one quickly. Ishan, within 1 to 10. 10 out of 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0.
10 out of 10. I don't think
Wow.
I don't think I made any mistakes.
Wow. Ishan, good luck. Good, good, very good. Kedar,
10 out of 10.
wow, I'm happy, so happy. What about Arjun?
10.
Wow. Three folks are all genius kids. What about Aditya?
I think 9, maybe 10.
Okay, good. 9 is also okay. I mean, it's not that something, which is good. And what about Paramananji? I'm not going to ask him. It's okay. You can keep it with you. Okay. But it was it okay, or you are having a little trouble?
No, it was okay. Just record it and send it to so that we can keep practicing together.
I will send it. I'll record it. Maybe not tonight, but maybe tomorrow sometime night, and I'll send this whole recording. Also, we will add a couple of short compositions. Okay, next week. I'm just probably sharing with you. I think I have added in your notes. If you scroll down here, see these are Mukhada 1. Okay, there are 4 or 5 compositions we will learn next week. Mukhada 1, Mukhada 2, Tukada 1, and Tukada 2. Okay, that we'll do next week. This is already available in online doc. In case if you are interested, you can click on the link. You can watch it. You can probably just listen it and play it and see if that can go. Otherwise, we'll learn next week for sure. Okay. Any question before we stop?
So watch it means like you have recording or
I'll upload the recording also.
okay, thank you.
Okay. Any other question? Kedar, any question? But you four are doing great. Ishan, Kedar, Arjun, Aditya. Excellent. Very good. Okay. And again, remember, you guys will be performing this on May 3rd. I hope you are available on that day. Don't engage anything, basically. Okay. Your batch will be the opening batsman. You know, opening batsman means what? The whole things is on your shoulder for the remaining teams. So if you do good, probably remaining team will do good. Right? You agree? So everybody's focused on your team. Oh, they are the first one to go. Right? So everybody's eyes on your playing. How do you play? You will set the bar, basically. Okay, good luck. I'll see you next week again, same time. Okay? Thank you. Namaste. Bye for now.
Bye.